Okay, so in order to start with the course, one of the things you will need to do is to create your account for the Azure Media Services Video Indexer. It is a free trial, so you don't have to pay anything for it. And it's actually a really good trial with a lot of minutes that you can use, so you can actually test a lot of videos index, and you can actually test indexing a lot of videos. The first thing you need to do is navigate to this URL videoindexer.ai, and that will guide you creating your account. After you have created your account, you will see that you will have an account here and it should say trial. So make sure that actually says that, and you will see that if you hit here, this is the configuration, it will actually let you know how many minutes you have. So you'll probably see something like 0 from 2400 minutes used and how much you have uploaded. So yeah, uh, you will see this screen or similar, something like this. You will see library tab, the projects tab, and the sample videos tab, where you will have a lot of preload samples that were added by Microsoft. So you can check how video insights or how the analysis of the videos results from a lot of videos. And if you click any of them, you will see some of the widgets similar to what we saw course in the course introduction. And you will see that here, for example, have the animated characters. In the case that are people, you will have things such as people. uh, So you will see that if the character was actually identified, or the person was actually identified, you will see the name. Otherwise, you will see things such as unknown. And when you click any of the resources in here, you can interact, and you can select any of the blank portions, and it will guide your video to that minute in your video. You can also do it for the labels, for the entities. Entities, you can see description for some of them. You will see some scenes, and if you go to the timeline, you will actually see a transcript for your video. So let's see this one, for example. You have a story to tell. PowerPoint can help add your style, choose from thousands of online templates, and you can actually modify the ones you uploaded in case your transcript is wrong in some places. Um, Something that I need to warn: when you upload, make sure that you actually select the either the actual language your video is in or the auto detect single language. Otherwise, your transcript will not be generated correctly and will have a lot of mistakes. Uh, so how do you upload a video? Basically, what you do is you click this arrow. It will ask you to either drop, browse for file, or enter from your file URL. It is recommended actually to use file URL, especially when you are doing it from the API. So if you had already uploaded your videos to a public available URL, it's better to index from there. Otherwise, you will have to wait for the time the video takes uploading. Uh, then you see that as soon as we select the video, it's going to prefill some of the information, such as the name. Then, okay, you choose the language. Okay, in this case, I know my video is in English. Let's auto detect single language. The privacy basically allows you to set this video to be private only for the account, people who have access to the account, and the public will make your video available to anyone you share the links or the widgets with. Uh, when you hit advanced, you will be able to specify the either people models or animation models. This basically allows you to set the category to which the faces are going to be compared. So if you know this video is about movies people that you have already uploaded photos for, you put movies people or soccer player. These ones were actually just created by me. You will only have this default, and that will actually search against already existent or default category, which has like more than 1 million celebrities and a lot of famous people. But in case you don't have, your videos do not have famous people, let's say that you want them to identify your family members, uh, some other people that you have photos from, you need to preload your photos. And or actually you may want to preload some of their photos to set their names. Otherwise you will need to do it manually when you upload the video. We will see that in a future video too, probably. In this case, let's see, well, I don't think I have photos of people in there, so I will just check the default and we wait for this to upload. uh, Now this is going to take a while uploading it, because it actually depends on your bandwidth. And then after the video is uploaded, you will need to wait for the time the video takes being indexed or analyzing the video to see all of the insights that were generated from the analysis of the video you are uploading. So we'll leave the video here, and after it has indexed, we will see the results, and then we'll move with the course. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.